Hello, good morning everyone. How are you all today? My name is Hussein and I am Forex Optimum Broker Financial Analyst. Let's come again to discuss about all these weekly reviews on what's going on in the financial markets, right? So first of all, the presidential elections in the United States are within 3 weeks ahead. Both sitting US President Donald Trump and Democrat nominee Joe Biden are ready to flood the market with liquidity. However, despite such dovish rhetoric, both politics have lacking particular actions. Nevertheless, even these intentions are inspiring investors as they hope the US economy would expect in 2021 regardless who will win presidential election. But this rise may happen only if another lockdown will not be imposed. And that seems to be unlikely as coronavirus vaccine is expected to be delivered in the United States before November 3rd. This week trading is expected to be volatile and trading ranges of currencies and stocks may expand as negotiation over relief bill and Brexit seem to be ineffective. So the main impact of the news on these issues may be significant until they are finally resolved. The macroeconomic data would also take part in the trading setup this week as US retail sales for September, New York Empire State Manufacturing Index and Philadelphia Manufacturing Index data will be released. Government checks to many Americans turn lower in September, so it may affect spending too. Core CPI for the month of September is also expected to be published, but Federal Reserve has muted positive expectations, saying that readings are expected to be weak. The greenback is sliding away since last Friday with rising chances of US dollar index to drop to the 92 points level and further down to the level of 91.75 points, which is a minimum landmark of 2020. The S&P 500 Bond Market Index continues with the ascending trend to the historic peak of 3,588.11 points. Gold prices initiated as a counter strike at the end of the last week amid weakening dollar and may continue to rise this week. The target prices for the gold is at somewhere around $1,973 per troy ounce. On the other hand, having a look at on the Brent crude prices which slid further on Monday as oil number in the United States rose last week by only 4 points to 193 and the oil strike in Norway came to an end. So the oil market was only supported by the Hurricane Delta that caused almost a complete shutdown of offshore oil production in the Mexican Gulf of the United States. As the hurricane fades, oil drilling would be restored within few weeks and low crude production in the US should be considered as the positive factor of for Brent crude prices until then. So weakening US dollar is in the favor for crude prices too. So they may return to the level of $45 per barrel a day. And thank you very much. That's all for this way. And we will be back again to bring you more updates later on. Till then, take care and have a great trading week.